Thank you for your interest in our project. This work is being undertaken by the RCSI in conjunction with the HSC Health Research Board and the Children's Health Ireland at Temple Street. This project is called the Landscape Project. That stands for Planning Designated Services for Child and Adolescent Obesity Management with professionals and families as expert stakeholders.
There might be some questions you and your family might have concerning the nature of this project. For example, why is this project being done? In our research project, we want to find out whether and how young people in Ireland and their parents look for help around growth and having a body weight above a healthy level. We want to hear from young people if you have looked for help because we believe that your voice is really important. We would like to ask you questions in an interview with a researcher, confidentially. We will ask you about things like your thoughts and experiences concerning healthcare professionals and the healthcare provided for children and young people who are trying to manage overweight or obesity. There will be no right or wrong answers as we are only interested in your opinion. Why am I being asked to take part? We are asking you to take part because we believe that young people have a very important story to tell about growing and living in our modern society. If you have looked for help or have been offered help from health professionals to manage healthy growth and obesity, we want to learn from your experiences. We believe that it is really important that young people's experiences are taken seriously and listened to. How will the project be carried out? The project will consist of a confidential interview with a researcher about your experiences with seeking help for overweight or obesity.
It will consist of just one session in total. What will happen to me if I consent to taking part?
Your parent or guardian will be invited to the project by email, and if you and your parents are happy to participate, you can both decide how you would like to do the interview, whether it's on the phone, a video call, or face-to-face. During the interview, you and your parents will be asked questions relating to looking for help around growth or being offered help by a health professional for overweight or obesity. The entire session will take 30 to 45 minutes in total. Your parent can join for some or all of it, or if you both prefer, they can wait nearby while you talk to us. It is important that you know the risks and benefits of participating in this project so that you can give us your informed consent. You do not have to take part if you do not want to, and you can also change your mind about taking part at any time.
What are the benefits? What are the risks? By taking part in this project, you will be providing invaluable insight into the current health services offered to young people in Ireland, the practices of health professionals, and areas for improvement. Some young people may have had a negative experience when looking for help from health professionals around their growth, overweight, or obesity. The researcher will ask you to tell us about any experiences you may have had in the past, which may be sensitive and remind you of negative feelings. If you become upset, we will be here to help you and to offer you information on where to seek further support if you need it.
Finally, is this project confidential? Your personal data will be anonymized. This means that we will delete any information that links you to the information that you give us. The research team are the only people who will ever have your details, and these details will be destroyed when the project ends. We will use the information provided in the project to write a research report and to develop training tools for the healthcare professionals.
Your health and well-being is very important to us. However, this means that if the research team are worried about your health, welfare, or safety, we may need to share these worries with another health professional, like a social worker, to make sure that you are safe.
If you have any further questions about the project, or if you want to opt out of the project, you can rest assured it won't affect you in any way. Our project team are available to talk via email, phone, or Microsoft Teams. Please contact our principal investigator, Dr. Grace O'Malley, or email landscape@rcsi.ie for more information.